Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Right here behind me, I'm gonna have a 2022 Honda Pilot. I'm gonna show you guys some cool tips and tricks that you may not be aware of that is gonna have a huge impact on your daily driving now. So let's go get the wow going right now so you guys will be in the know. All right, so this is gonna be talking about your adaptive cruise control here quick. Can you turn it off, right? So let's say there's two drivers. One loves the adaptive cruise control. We use it all the time as much as possible. Maybe the second driver doesn't like it. You know, maybe they fall asleep at the wheel. Is there an easy way to turn this on or off? And is there visual cues? Yes, there is. Let me show you how easy it is to turn off your adaptive cruise to your standard cruise right now. All right, so here we are right inside the vehicle. As you guys already know, I'm assuming you know about your Honda sensing when it's on and when it's not, when it's available. You can see by the green writing right there, okay? ACC is your adaptive cruise control. So let's say, for example, you set your speed, stuff like that. You get this button right here to select the distance between you and the car in front of you, right? More lines means further away, less lines means you're gonna be closer, stuff like that. But hey, how did I turn this off? All you do is click, hold this button down there, check that out. Cruise mode, standard cruise, no longer adaptive cruise control. There it is. All right, so this next one's gonna be up here on the driver's interface. It's gonna be a visual coaching here for a fuel efficiency backlight. You can turn this on or off. So the whole point of this is to give you visual cues when you're being fuel efficient and when you're not. All right, so I'm gonna throw a video right up there. As you guys can see, as you are being fuel efficient, it goes from white to green. Then when you're not, it goes from green to white. Can you turn that on or off if you, for a particular reason, you don't want it? Yes, you can. All you have to do is get right over here to settings, select settings, come down here to vehicle settings, and then from there we're gonna select meter, scroll down, fuel efficiency backlight. It's on. Now if I turn it off, that green light won't come on anymore. There it is. All right, so I'm a huge, big time second guesser. I always like to second guess myself. Did I do this? Did I not do that? Well, let's take one thing off the list. So let's say, for example, I shut up the car, I got my key fob with me, I get out of the car, right? I put the key fob in my pocket. I maybe get into work after a long day of running some errands. Then I'm like, man, did I lock my door? Did I not lock my door? I don't know, but wouldn't it be nice to know once you get away 10 feet, boom, door's locked. It can happen. Let me show you the setting right now. All right, so here we are right inside. We're at the home screen, as you guys already guessed. We're gonna select settings. From settings, we come down to vehicle. Now from vehicle, we're gonna go to keyless access setup, all right? Right down here, walk away auto lock. Disenabled, let's enable that, and then there we go. So now you get 10 feet away, no key left in the car, keys out of the car, get away, boom, door's locked. No longer second guessing, you know for sure. All right, so, you know, I love the summertime much just like anyone else, but one thing I don't like about summer is your car sits out there, the sun beats it down, it gets so hot, you get in there, it's all mucky and just hot, right? Well, wouldn't it be nice if you know in advance that you're gonna go out to your car and you like to have it air out? You can do all that, get the windows down with this key fob. It's super easy and pretty nice. All you have to do is hit lock, click and hold unlock twice, hold that down, then you'll see that the windows will come right down for you. So tap lock once, double tap unlock and hold for the second time. As you hold it right down, the windows open, the power moonroof opens. Pretty nice and awesome right there for you guys, all right? Now to roll these up, let's say for some reason you change your mind, right? You actually, on the back of your key fob, you have a little switch here where we can focus right there, right? There it is. Pull that over, key fob, key comes right out, put it right in here, click, click, hold, and boom, everything rolls right back up. That nice and easy. All right, so sometimes finding the perfect parking spot is impossible, or it's hard to back up a third-wheel vehicle. I can understand. Some people do some crazy stuff out there in the parking lots. But anyways, you can get a little help. On the EXL and higher trim levels, you get your side mirrors to tilt down, catch how close you're getting to something, and help you out with your blind spot. I will show you how to turn it on or how to turn it off on the EXL and higher trims right now. All right, so we're right here, obviously in the driver's seat. Here's the driver mirror here for you guys, okay? So when we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see it will tilt right down. Boom, right? Goes right down there. It only does one at a time. So let's say if I put them back in park, comes right back up, okay? So maybe I want the right mirror to do that, right? So all I have to do is just slide this button right over here all the way over to the right, put it in reverse, There we go. So pretty nice. I can also just move that switch all the way to the left, and the left one tilts right back down, and the right goes. Now let's see if I don't want that for any particular reason. I don't like it. Boom, put it right in the middle, and there we go. So every time I put it in reverse now, none of the mirrors would tilt right down. Now you're in the know. All right, so let's say you're out there during Christmas, holiday stuff, you're enjoying the holiday lights, or maybe you're just outside at nighttime in the parking lot or in the street waiting for someone to come out to pick someone up, right? But your daytime running lights are on. You don't want to disturb anyone. You don't want to be like, who's out there? What are they doing? You know what? You can turn these daytime running lights off, and let me show you how that's done. So right now, you can see that they are on right here, all right? So let's jump right in and show you how to turn it off right now. All right, so I kept the vehicle on and running right now for you guys. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is you get your parking brake all the way down here. I'm gonna push this bad boy right in here quick. So there we go. All right, so that's down. You can see parking brake is on, stuff like that. These lights right here, I'm gonna turn these bad boys off. So it's an off, okay? Everything is off, fog lights and stuff like that. I'm gonna push this button right in, turn off the car. There we go. Give it a couple seconds, you know, good old 1, 2 count, and then I'm gonna start it right back up. Starts right back up. Wada bean, wada boon. We're gonna step right out, and we're gonna show you that your daytime running lights are off. Right there, off. So how do you turn them right back on? Pretty nice and easy. Come right in here, put your foot down on the parking brake, release that. There we go. As you can see, parking brake is off, no red right down there. Then we'll step right back over here. Daytime running light action going on right now. There it is. So here we are in the back. You got this really cool hiding spot for something that can be a lifesaver for that unforeseen event, okay? So all you need to do is get your key fob here, take the key out, you get the key, come right here. So let's say you're out there doing your driving, you know, for trips, whatever, or you didn't pay attention, you're running out of gas, right? So you have to go and get a collapsible nozzle gas can, emergency gas can, or wherever the cases might be. And as you guys know, you have a capless gas tank. You put something in, sometimes with the rigid edges, you can't pull it out. It's gonna get stuck. So that's what this emergency fuel funnel is for right here. Put it in, fill up, take it out, put it away, get back on the road, enjoy your dreams, all right? That nice and easy. All right, so some of you guys will probably already know that, hey, I got 3 kids, okay? So when we're out running errands, doing family stuff, my wife usually has the keys, and we come out here to the car. My wife puts her hand in the handle, right, and locks her door. Then I got my little muskrats back here, putting their foot up, trying to yank, trying to get in quick because it's cold or it's raining or doing something crazy. Wouldn't it be nice if we just have all the doors unlocked so they don't have to yank on those handles? It can happen. Let me show you how to set it up right now, okay? All right, so here we are at the home menu. We're gonna select settings. From settings, we're gonna come all the way down to vehicle. Now from vehicle, we're gonna go to keyless access setup. From there, you have your door unlock mode right there. All right, so now we're gonna select all doors. So when my wife puts her hand in the handle, boom, all doors unlocked, okay? So maybe it's just you on the road by yourself, whatever the case is too as well. You just feel comfortable, have it driver only. You can set for driver only and tailgate only. That is perfectly fine, all right? Whew, today is grocery day, man. I got like my hands full of groceries, supplies, you know, and everyone ran inside already, all right? And I still need to shut the door and lock everything, you know what I mean? But how do I lock everything? So it'll be pretty easy. I got my bags. I can do this. I can keep the key fob right here in my pocket where it belongs. Then as the door closes, I can come right underneath here. You have a couple buttons right here. See this one? I can push this lock. Boom, it beeps. Now all the doors are locked. All of these, no one can get in. That nice and easy, all right? Hey guys, so let's imagine you're driving down the road now. You got auto high beam set on, all right? And you don't like it. Maybe they're not even on. How do you turn these on or off? Let me show you how you change the settings right now. So let's get going. All right, so we're in the vehicle now. The vehicle is on, okay? We're in park. You have to make sure you're in park, okay? Now we'll get over here to your light stick. You want to turn this to auto from here, okay? And now what we're going to do is pull this towards you. We're gonna hold it, okay? Have your brights on. Now right down there next to that blue light, as you guys can see, it's telling you your brights are on at the moment. Now, to know if it's turning on or off, you'll see it like flash once, then it's on. If it flashes twice, the auto light high beams, you know it's off from here, okay? So keep watching right down below. Just keep on waiting. It's gonna get there.
Waiting.
There we go, flashed. There we go. So now I have them on and activated. As long as if I keep my lights on auto, we're driving down the interstate, there's no cars coming at us, boom, my high beams automatically come on. It senses a car, the light's coming at us, it turns off from there. All right, so we're driving down, I'm just doing my everyday lifestyle, and I've noticed on my touchscreen that there's certain apps I use a lot more than others. Wouldn't it be nice to just have those more towards the front and easier to find? You can reorganize this. It's super easy. All you have to do is get your finger, click and hold this, and then there we go. It kind of gives you a nice little summary on things to find. And then you can reorganize anything as you see fit. Right over here, flip it out. There we go. It's that easy. Hit done. Now everything's the way I want it. Right there. Guys, it's me again, Crazy Honda Chris here. Thank you so much again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful to share those tips and tricks with you guys. If you guys want to share any more, maybe I missed one, drop them down below in the comments. Share that with the community. Then also, if you guys really did enjoy this video, please feel free to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out because I do put anywhere from 3 to 5 hours per video up here to put you guys in the know, okay? Thanks again for your support. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.